How to switch Facebook page to classic. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Facebook application on your device and go straight to the menu option. Tap on the three dots beside your name and switch to your Facebook page from your Facebook profile. Once you are on your Facebook page, tap on the three dots you see beside the View Tools option. You will be led to the page settings. See if you have the switch to classic mode option there or not, since not everyone will have the option to switch to classic mode. You can see I too do not have the option for switching to classic mode. This is because this page was created recently and pages which were created like 2 or 3 years back will not have the option for switching to classic mode since Facebook has removed this particular feature a few years back. So if your Facebook page is older than 4 to 5 years, then you will see the option for switch to classic mode. So go ahead and tap on that. And with this, you will be able to switch to classic mode. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.